Trisio Lite 2 is a portable panorama camera specialized in capturing indoor 360-degree panoramic images. By using a spherical distortion-free optical lens and sophisticated CNC motor, combining with NodeRotate technology, Trisio Lite 2 can precisely capture the ambient light of any complex indoor spaces. Just simply press the shutter. You can get perfect 8K 32 million pixels high-resolution images. Trisio Lite 2 is now equipped with the latest design, Any-Scene Full Scene Adaptive Imaging System. Effectively solve the brightness suppression and darkness compensation problems. It accommodates the panoramic shooting of various scenes with high-quality visual experience.